Hello Dowell viewers, this is Chef Jose Sarasola coming to you. Outdoors naman tayo today. Napakaganda ng location natin. Very nature, kaya I have a very special dish for all of you. And of course, we'll be using our very versatile one-stop pot. So today, gagawa tayo ng Kansi. Simulan na natin! So our first step, of course, we'll choose the function na sauté. Meron tayong annatto oil. Ayan. So, alright. Let's spread it around. Our first ingredient. Ayan. Let's wait na medyo uminit siya before adding in our bawang. Garlic. So this annatto will really give color. At ayan, I think yung bawang nagba-brown na a bit and our oil looks good. Now time to add the shank. It's very important to use very quality meat para syempre yung kansi natin very special rin as well. So now we'll be searing our meat for around 30 seconds. So we're not really cooking yung meat na all the way. Gusto natin ng konting kulay on both sides. So around 30 to 40 seconds per side. So after 30 seconds, we can now flip our shank. You know, yun yung color na gusto natin. Yung medyo light brown. So our next step naman, we'll be adding some tomatoes. You know. And syempre, sibuyas. So let's just brown this a bit. Hindi naman ganun katagal kasi ayoko masunog yung sibuyas natin. Next step, we'll be adding, of course, our water. At syempre, yung talaga makadagdag ng flavor, yung tanglad or lemongrass natin. I love lemongrass. Okay. Cover na natin siya. And we'll be leaving this for around 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, let's check kung malambot na yung shank natin. Wow. Amoy pa lang, sobrang panalo. At ayan. Ang lambot na ng shank natin. Iba talaga yung one-stop pot ng Dowell. Talagang really makes it super tender. Okay, next up, mag-add na tayo ng beef cubes. Next naman, sinigang mix. Additional flavor. Alright. And then of course, some patis. And we'll cook this for around 5 more minutes and we're almost done. Okay, I think we're done. Let's check. Wow, look at that. And yung smell. Ooh, exciting. Mag-plate na tayo. First off, let's get our shank na sobrang lambot, of course. Dahil sa one-stop pot natin from Dowell, no? Pakalambot. Fall off the bone. Yung soup natin. Okay, now I'll be adding some sili. Ayan, yung green for the nice color. Saka may konting sipa. At syempre, siling ko. Diba? At ayan, tapos na yung Kansi. Of course, using our Dowell One Stop Pot.